Uganda, we need to talk. The Speaker of Parliament, Anita Mong, who is supposed to be impartial, has crossed the red line using very dangerous tribalistic rhetoric. Yesterday, during the critical vote of the coffee bill, you had her saying on camera that make sure those of Baganda don't get the numbers. That was not just shocking. It is unacceptable. Leaders are supposed to unite the country, not divide it. I wonder if this speaker who is inept has opened any history book about the genocides in Bosnia, Rwanda, or Yugoslavia, because her divisive rhetoric can lead to a genocide in just a very short period of time. So let's unite as Ugandans and strongly condemn such divisive rhetoric that can make our country collapse before our eyes. We still have a chance to say no to this BS. Even worse, I don't know, we have members of parliament who are frightened to challenge such divisive rhetoric coming from the Speaker of Parliament. It's not the beginning. Some time back she was using homophobic rhetoric and none of you condemned her. Now she's using tribalistic and sectarian rhetoric. And some of you are quiet. This is wrong. We must challenge this BS in Parliament. Just remember some time back, the MP Francis Zake, wrote a tweet criticizing the Speaker of Parliament, and she went after him. She even, moved the motion to censure him as the Commissioner of Parliament. So if a tweet qualified for a censure, how about Anita Mong's divisive rhetoric? So this is why I'm calling on the leader of opposition, Joe Senyonyi. This is the time you should show Ugandans and the rest of the world that the opposition is beyond talk. Initiate impeachment proceedings against the Speaker of Parliament, Anita Mong, now, and we get her out of office. Anita Mong has to apologize to the Baganda, to all Ugandans, and the entire world, because right now this speaker is a threat not only to Uganda, but the rest of the world. This has to stop. We need to save our country from collapsing before our eyes. So Joe Senyonyi, you are on an international test. You either pass it or fail it. If you think you cannot impeach Anita Mong with this clear example of contempt of Parliament, then we don't know which other example you use, because this is a clear contempt of Parliament. So let's initiate impeachment proceedings against Anita Mong. She does not belong to Parliament now. We need a better leader, Speaker of Parliament. Let's also confront all the divisive rhetoric that is coming from the Speaker of Parliament, even Despot Museveni. Because sometime back, you had him saying, those who are saying Fenga Baganda, are enemies of Uganda and Africa, and he promised to crush them. Is this what he was promising? So folks, we need to condemn such rhetoric collectively, because it's our moral imperative to ensure that we stop this BS. So Joe Senyonyi, we can fix this mess together through your leadership. Show the world your vibrance. Show the world your courage and initiate impeachment proceedings against the Speaker of Parliament. It is time to say enough is enough to Anita Mong's corruption, homophobia, bigotry, tribalism, sectarianism, and ineptness. Let's fight back and ensure that we save our country from collapsing.